All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to take you through how to register for the stock market game for your economics class. The very first thing we're going to do is go to a search engine and we're going to type in the virtual stock market and see what we get for results here. We can actually zoom out a little bit. And you're going to go down and look for the link that is sponsored by MarketWatch. So I'm going to click on the MarketWatch link. And this is going to come up at the front screen. It's the MarketWatch sponsored by the Wall Street Journal. Since we are new to this, and I'm assuming you're new to logging into the Wall Street Journal, you're going to go to create a login. All right, and if you are not a member, you need to scroll down and click on the button that says not a member. Login information is going to take you through. Type in your login information. Give it email address. Insert a password. Confirm password. All right, and be sure to scroll down and click off all the communication preferences unless you want junk email coming in. So I'm going to go ahead and click off all of those and then go down and hit register now. Password. All right, so once you get in, it's going to say my profile. It's going to ask you industry. We're doing this for education, profession. You can just say that you are a student. Your title would be not applicable unless you think you're the principal of our school or director of our school. We're going to go not applicable. Company size, not applicable. Annual income. You guys are definitely earning less than $50,000 a year, or at least that I know of. And then you're going to go through and put in your birth date. All right, so once you enter this information, once again, you want to click off all the newsletters and alerts, all right, to kind of click off of this. Now, you also notice in this area up top, it says to check your email. And it's going to ask you to go to your email, log in, and go through and click on the registration form. So once you're done, you can hit save and log in. All right, so once you've gone and checked your email for your password, you're going to go back to the MarketWatch screen, www.marketwatch.com, and you're going to click on the login button, and it's going to ask you for your email address and password. So I'm going to enter in my email address and password. Remember password. All right, so once I'm logged in, I can go to the games button, and I can click on the games. And if I'm doing this for second hour, there's two ways to go about finding the game that you want to be invited into. You could simply click on Find a Game and type in the name of your game, or you could go up to the top of the screen here, and at the end of the backslash, you could type in the name of your game. So for second hour, for example, it would be Adam's Second Hour. And then click enter. And it'll take me to the game that says Adam's Second Hour, Adams High School Stock Project. It tells you how it's set up, number of players, there's nobody entered in yet. So then I need to enter the password. The password for all of the games is Highlanders. So Highlander, and click on join. Remember password. So now I'm enrolled in the game. All right. So once I'm in, I can go through and click on the Trade Now button, and I can actually begin working on trades. So after you've done some research on your companies and you say, okay, I want to actually find a company that I want to invest in. And so let's take a look at a handful of the big companies that are out there. I see Dell right here. I can actually click on Dell. And it's going to take me to the information about Dell, what's going on. I can see the stock prices, price to earnings ratio, their volume. All this other information pops up for Dell. So if I want to actually trade, let's grab Dell, and now I'm going to drag it over here to the trading card. So once I put Dell over there, I can then scroll down and try to figure out how many shares of Dell I want. Now I can either type it in or I can scroll onto the side. It's going to tell me how much money it's going to cost. So let's say I'm going to buy, let's go with 63 shares of Dell. I hit submit trades, all right, and it says that my order was submitted successfully. So that's it. Now I own Dell stock. And if I go to my portfolio up here at the top, it's going to show me the stocks that I have purchased. So right now it tells me my net worth, how much I've spent, and how Dell is doing comparatively. So once you do that, you can go through. Remember, you have $20,000 to spend. You can go back and forth and put your information in, and how you can go through it and everything else is kind of up to you and what you're looking to invest in.